We're Lucy and Mark, and currently we are in Senegal. Last time you saw us in Ziguinchor, the largest city in the southern Senegal region of Casamance. From there we went to the port to book a ferry back to Dakar to avoid backtracking the 1,800 kilometers around Gambia.
Euros is 335 euros. It's a ridiculous price. It's like 15 hours.
Yeah.
Ferry, so it's not worth it to do.
Yeah, definitely not worth it. We also said our final goodbyes to our travel companions Atlas Trotters, who departed in the opposite direction for Guinea-Bissau. But for us, our adventure continues as we leave Ziguinchor and explore deeper into Casamance.
Good morning to the crew. We left the campsite too. In the morning it was quite sad because we say goodbye to Tom and Teresa, Jonathan, and Natalie, Ismail. We have been together almost a month, and not every day we meet together, but we just keep bump each other, and they were so nice neighbor for us, right? Today we left the campsite because it was quite expensive, so we are gonna move to the Osuri, which is a small village in Casamance, and that campsite is quite cheaper, and we are gonna stay for a few days, and we're gonna catch up some videos and photos too, because since we have neighbors for a long time, we didn't do that much. Hopefully Natalie, Ismail, Tom, Teresa, Jonathan will pass to Guinea-Bissau well today and enjoy the blue turquoise blue beach. Yeah. Okay, let's go. It's our ourselves now. Guys, we are just packing up again. 30 minutes ago we arrived in this campsite, and the lady who is working here, she told us that the price changed 5,000 cefas. Previously this month we checked the comment price is 2,000 cefas. That's the reason why we came here, so that nice price and then work. If it is 5,000 cefas, there are so many options along the beach. Today and then tomorrow weather will be really hot, and then if it's the same price, it's better for us to go to the coast and have a little bit of sea breeze. So we are gonna go. It is what it is.
We made our way to Cape Skirring, formerly a quiet fishing village. Now it's a popular seaside destination for tourists from all parts of the world.
맹그로브 나무 진짜 많네 여기. 물 타는 거 있는지 봐야겠다.
Yeah, look for the spot.
우리 굴 좀 먹어야겠네.
Fortunately, we were able to find an affordable campsite.
We got a call?
No one there?
Yeah, I say Kunju, something, no one.
Let's just go in and then we can
Okay.
wait. It turns out the location was actually someone's home, but they were in the process of converting the estate into a campground. We parked up and relaxed under the palm trees. Eventually the owner came out to greet us, and he kindly invited us to join him for a little aperitif. Aperitif. Thank you. It's okay, Philippe? I feel no problem?
No problem. What's your name?
Mark.
Mark
And Lucy.
and Lucy.
Yeah.
Okay. Me, I am Philippe.
Enchanté.
De même. Merci, Sergio.
Merci.
We drink that with water.
With water, yeah. And then it makes a white color.
You take what you want.
Yeah, I'll take a little.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we were in Korea, Kore desu? We have our friends did it.
Santé.
Santé.
필립이 여기 주인분이십니다. 그래서 같이
You know this place with Overlander?
Overlander?
Overlander, yes.
Yeah, we,
yes.
yeah.
That's how we found it, yeah.
Yeah.
That's this.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Where are you from?
South Korea.
South Korea.
Yeah.
Korea American.
Yeah,
Yes.
American.
You live in America,
Yeah.
Let's go
but
to
your origin
first class.
Korea. Yes.
is
Okay.
Korea.
Yeah.
It's my son and my ex-wife.
Ah.
My wife was Senegalese.
So your wife is in France too, or
Oh yes, she is in France.
with your son? Are they your son too?
No, it's my.
Hello, hi, bonjour, bonjour.
It's not my son.
They're shy.
So you want to make this nice camping place for your son someday, huh?
Well,
Yeah. Dude, that's a lot of work.
yes.
Good night. Bonne nuit.
We are back to our van. It was really fun because like Philip is such a character, you know, he's
Yeah.
such a fun person. I wish that we can speak French more, but we cannot. But he can speak a little bit English, so it was kind of easier to communicate with him. And then we got the help from the Google translation.
Yeah,
And then
lots of
Philip
help.
loves it. He just used it a lot, and then yeah, we were doing it. He said that like the way he's like kind of drinking is like a talanga, which is the welcoming us, you know,
Kind of
like,
hospitality.
yeah, hospitality, the Senegali way.
Yeah.
And it's really nice to you know like have that kind of moment, because previous campsite we didn't feel any kind of welcoming. So anyways, we didn't eat dinner yet, and we gotta eat, and we gotta work a little bit. It's time to eat. Is it ready?
Yep.
Okay,
Ready to
let's
go.
eat. I'm hungry. How about you?
Tonight we're having Thai chicken curry. Can you hold that for a second? Is it good? That's right.
맛있어. 너무 맛있어. 완전 시원하나? Look at me. 따라.
We spent a few days just catching up on work, but eventually we made our way down to the beach. But the path to get there was quite interesting, and even a bit spooky in some spots. But we were eager to have a little fun. The beach itself turned out to be a disappointment. There were mounds of dead fish rotting under the tropical sun. Are you catching them?
못 먹는 피쉬를 이제 여기 놔둔 거 아닐까?
Fish everywhere, all the way up the beach.
정들어서?
Could be. Yeah, you can see them all on the beach here. Can we get 2 beers? It turns out the fish washing up was bycatch from the commercial fishing offshore. As much as we tried to enjoy our day, the stench of rotting fish was a sad reminder of what we were doing to the African coast.
Alright.
The next morning it was time to leave and start our long journey back.
Next you believe.
Thank you for everything,
Thank you, Opa. Woo, let's go.
Fast to the sandy patch.
We can do it. We can do it.
Oh, it's so soft. It is soft.
Yeah. Move, bird. Bird, move. Move.
The roads in these parts are treacherous, so driving was slow. Wow.
야, 이렇게 나쁘나 도로가? 아, 다 저렇게 가네. 중간에.
Just gonna drive on the side with these amount of holes.
어.
But the views are out of this world.
저기 오이스터 파나? 큰데? 엄청 커. 우와. 여기도 있어. 우리가 스킬돼. 펠리칸 저기. 완전 쿨.
Just as we were crossing a seemingly safe stretch of brick-laid road, all we can do right now is just drive slowly over the speed bump, see if we can find out
What is the
speed bump,
problem? Okay.
stress.